Pit bike weekend, what's up? Let's go. Damn, she looking fresh to death. What's going on here, Devin? Hell yeah. I could do better. What the fuck is he doing, dude?
Don't know.
Whew, there we go. We out here.
Get the strap.
Get the strap.
You can turn your light out now.
Oh, shit. Here goes my eyebrows. Woo. It's hard to wheelie, dude. Woo! Hey, don't pull a Keone. How much gas did you pour?
A pitcher and a half, motherfucker.
Get that for the tapes.
We out here, son.
Pitcher and a half of gas.
No, but
Ghost Pepper Challenge. Come on, put that thing in your mouth. There you go.
Put that thing in his mouth.
it's an instant punch.
You have any spicy jerky or is it?
That shit's
That's
for sure.
Joe Dishman.
Is that me?
That's you.
Am I Joe Dishman?
Yeah. This fool's not wearing a damn shirt.
He said that's Joe Dishman.
Oh.
Wow, you dropped it?
Cushion orange juice.
Cushion orange juice, nigga.
I don't say something. I duck him. Try something. Got a dirty face who is. I can't do that word.
Hey, it ain't copywritten if they suck, alright? Damn.
What is that? 6 pounds.
Can you smell it? Here we are. Camp. Nice hole. Nature's tits. We up here. Gotta go rip him up.
Oh, gosh.
About to go bushwhacking. It just keeps on going and forward. Yeah!
You crazy! Dude, I need to take my top off.
That's dope.
Fuck yeah, dude. Action. Yeah, we're out here at Jawbone, just ripping the 110s up. You know what I'm saying? Fucking shredding these things. Devin has his new one all ready to go. Something different. Got a beautiful view. Come on. Wish we had some beer, but that's at camp next time. It's beautiful out here though.
It's no glamorous, but
Yeah, it's not
we
gross.
out here.
We'll be out. Can you believe that Devin bought 12 pounds of charcoal?
But what?
No damn grill. Is this your first rodeo?
First time to Jawbone.
God damn. Ain't that some shit? Hide the paraphernalia. There you go. Check this out. This one's gnarly.
There's a bullet stuck in the frame right now.
Really?
Now aim, fire.
Nice.
Rack, aim, fire.
Ooh.
There you go. Rack. There you go.
I would have watched it.
Put your hand on mine. Rack it. Do it again.
That's awesome. Way better than Call of Duty.
There you go. I hit it, dude.
For that.
There you go.
I couldn't. Damn.
Nice shot. Backed up. Go. Pop, pop, pop. There you go. Hold it. Nice shot. Nice shot. Nice shot.
Squirrely Steve. Squirrely ass Steve, dude. Yeah. Oh shit.
Hey, I got it, bro. I got a job. If I pick it up, I'll pay you. Gas.
Did you eat it?
Yeah, but I think I'm out of gas.
What did you try to do? Come through here?
Yeah. I saw that big ass drop and I said, whoa!
Woo!
Other than that,
Nice.
so we got about 300 rounds for.
Perfect. There we are here. We're stepping up in this world here. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this is done? Oh, I see the slash. This way?
Yeah. And then you pull the slide. Yeah. You ain't down.
Nice.
Come on, we stay out here.
That's right. We always out in the desert. Switch it up this weekend. Gang in this bitch. We out here at Jawbone.
Take two.
Take two.
Take two.
Actually, that might work.
That's good enough.
Yeah!
I
can't see it.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! That was steep as bro.
I didn't think we were gonna make it, dude.
Dude, I was bogging out in first gear. Holy sh! Is your knee hurting?
I'm good.
You're bleeding.
Am I?
Hell yeah! Look at your right knee. Here, hold on.
A little bit.
Yeah! You ain't down. Come on. Oh! Bar to bar.
Dude! I'm so cold!
Hell yeah!
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm just glad we made it back because I'm freezing.
Oh dude, I'm so cold.
Yeah. Oh yeah! Nice. Nice! Yeah! rubber.
Yeah, here.
We up here. Yep, shredded tire now.
Come out.
No. We are.
Right now.
It's a good time. Shot some guns. Bang bang.
Come out.
We out here. Are we leaving?
Take two.
Take two. I put it all together.
You had to chop it all up.
Yeah.
I'm testing it out.
Okay. We're on a mission. Oh, we're on a mission to find beer. You're limping. Look at
Another
let me see your
successful trip.
Let me see your. Yeah. What do you have to say?
I ate a couple times. Check it out. PG-13.
There you go.
You like that?
Yeah.
Check this out.
Nice.
Oh yeah,
Nice.
nice.
I'll
And
show-
I got one right here too.
He fell. I'll show you mine when I take my pants off later. It was a good time.
Hell yeah, it was.
Bang bang.
Where the fuck do you think?
I don't know.
Here we go.
Okay, fucking right there on the dirt. Use your fucking head.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
What's going on here, Devin?
Suck my dick.
Hey, is this like the signature trademark of the vlog?
Yeah. It wouldn't be a trip if you don't get your truck jump started. Shut the yeah. Piece of 5.3.
Suck my dick, bitch.